Hello everyone! Whether you're here for inspiration, laughter, or some good advice, you're in the right place. Join us as we explore the world and make some awesome memories together. Tara, let's go!
For today's video, I will share with you guys on how we prepare the favorite food of our four babies.
As usual, they always love the boiled chicken. We just mix it into the dog food.
Just a short story.
Sabi nila, swerte daw kami kasi aso lang pinapakain namin at pinaggagastusan. Pero di nila alam, mas magastos din sila, hindi lang sa pagkain, kundi sa maintenance din. Pero hindi kami nagreklamo kasi iba rin yung saya na nabibigay ng mga alaga namin. Super malambing. And sila yung pinaka-loyal. At choice din naming alagaan ang mga makukulit na mga asong to. At yun na nga, excited na yung mga baby girls natin. Si Kimchi at si Kali. At of course, hindi natin kakalimutan ang mga baby boys na si Mochi, si Tofu, at saka si Maki. Tingnan nyo naman, hindi masyadong halata. Super excited na sila sa kanilang pagkain. Kaya super behave ng mga baby boys natin ngayon. Mochi is a golden retriever and Tofu is a Chihuahua mixed breed dog. And Maki is a Maltese mixed breed dog. At yun na nga, dumating na yung order natin na tubig para sa ating mga baby boys. Luchi is such a very sweet dog. He really loves to be fed. Actually, all of them. That is the reason why we are so lucky to have them. During weekends, we always make sure that we get to spend time with them, to bond, to play, or to train them a little bit. Just the basic ones. Because during weekdays, we are so busy with our work and we get to spend less time with them. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell below so that you'll be updated with our new videos. And have a good Sunday. Bye!